I don't know about you guys, but when I have the munchies, I'm very undecided on what I should eat. So here is what we're going to have for munchies: sausages, meatballs from. Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So today's munchies, it's not going to be anything healthy. Well, maybe there'll be a salad and some onions, but it's not healthy. It's going to be a hamburger. What started as sausages to meatballs, now a hamburger. Enjoy it. So what we're gonna do is just open this up. The Italian sausages that I'm going to use to make burger patties, I'm going to mix them in a bowl. Can't wait for these babies. Then we cut up some onions. That's a little bit. So now we're gonna add some garlic. Some onions. As much as you want, there's no limit. Crack an egg to hold everything together, and then some thyme. Grind it up as small as you want so that you can maintain the smoothness. Some chili flakes, and now we mix it all up together, but the ball is too small, so I'm going to change it. Add some salt and mix it all up together. So now the meat has rested for maybe 30 minutes, and I forgot to add black pepper. So add some black pepper. So on a pan, we're going to saute some mushrooms, put in some lemon, add some salt, put in some little leaves of oregano for the flavor, and mix those babies up. Add some spring onions, adds flavor too. It's going to be beautiful. The sausages are oily on their own, so you don't need to put any oil or anything. So put this on a plain pan. This pan is too small, but it will do. We're coming closer to the end. Finally. Well, not finally yet, but thank God. This is like a long process, especially when you have a munchies, but good food comes to those who wait. And now add some onions with the flavor of the burger patties. Adding the onions to the chanterelle mushrooms, there's way too much flavor. So we got these buns because they have less bread and more meat. Let's get these bad boys going so we can get on with the burger business. The burger patty, some more onions, and then the next level of burger patty. Yeah. So the reason we're doing this is so that the cheese can soften up a little bit. I learned this from thefoodbusker. I'm going to leave his link in one of the corners below. I think that left or right. Well, you see it pop up. And yeah, voila, the burgers are ready. Super excited. Oh my days, look at them. We're gonna add some tomatoes and some salad to give it like a little freshness.
Maybe I'm sure going to be able to put that in the mouth. Oh, somebody's gonna die first.
Somebody's gonna die first. And voila, our burgers are ready to go. I'm gonna cut mine up. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time.